Here we have the woven stitch. The woven stitch is going to be number 54 in my series of going through 440 stitches. Look at how beautiful it is. If you want to learn how to make the woven stitch, I can teach you. Let's go ahead and get started on that tutorial. Today's tutorial is going to be on the woven stitch. This stitch can be done in any even number of stitches. So I am using a 4.0 hook. I have some cotton yarn. I am working on a washcloth. So we're going to go ahead and do the woven stitch for the washcloth. So let's go ahead and get started. So to start, I'm going to go ahead and do a slip knot. Again, this is going to be a washcloth, so we need it to be the length of what a typical washcloth is going to be, as long as it is in evens. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So let's take a look. We'll go a little bit longer. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, I think that's a good length for a washcloth. So let's go on to the next row. So our next step is going to be put a single crochet into the second stitch from the hook. So 1, 2, we're going to go in here and put a single crochet. Now the next step is going to be to chain 1 and skip 1. So we're going to go ahead and skip this stitch, and then we're going to go ahead and put a single crochet right into here. So now we are going to do the same thing all the way to the end. So we chain 1, skip 1, single crochet. 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 So go ahead and do that, and I will meet you at the end of this round. So now for the next round, we are going to go ahead and chain up 1, turn our work, and then what we're going to do is we are going to put we are going to actually skip the first single crochet. So this is the first single crochet right here. This is the chain 1 space right in here, and we're going to put a single crochet into the chain 1 space. Okay, so you put a single crochet into that space. Then you go ahead and you chain 1, skip this single crochet, and put a single crochet into the chain 1 space. Chain 1, skip the single crochet, put a single crochet into the chain 1 space. Chain 1, skip the single crochet, put a single crochet into the chain 1 space. And you're going to do this all the way down, okay? And this is a repeat pattern, so you'll be doing the exact same thing all the way until you get to the desired length of whatever it is that you are working on. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this round. We will go on to the next round, and then we can reevaluate there, okay? So for a washcloth, I like to go probably, I would say, at least 15 rounds, maybe check where I'm at. Okay, so now we are at the end here, and what we're gonna do is we put a single crochet in the chain 1 space, but then we also go ahead and put a single crochet in the last stitch, okay, to close off that round, just like that, okay? And now you can kind of see how it's looking. So you chain 1, turn your work, you skip the single crochets, and you find the chain 1 space, okay? So the chain 1 space is going to be right here. You go ahead and put a single crochet into that chain 1 space, okay? Chain 1, find the chain 1 space from the previous round. It's right here. Put it, single crochet. And we just do this all the way down. So I finished that round, and I thought to myself, okay, let's say we wanted to change color. If we wanted to change color, what we're going to do is I'm going to cut off this stitch here. Okay, close it off. And then I'm going to get my next color. So I have my next color here, and I'm going to go ahead and go on to where the single crochet is, and I'm going to chain up 1. So I go through here, chain up 1, turn. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and skip this single crochet, and right in here I'm going to go ahead and just continue on. So I'm going to chain 1, skip the single crochet, and in the chain 1 space put a single crochet. Chain 1, chain 1 space, or skip a single crochet, and in the chain 1 space we put a single crochet. Chain 1, same thing all the way down. And it's pretty simple to do whatever you want with this as far as color goes, and as far as length. This is a really easy pattern to make a nice cute little blanket. So I'm gonna keep going, and I'll show you what the end product looks like as far as my washcloth goes, okay? I will meet you when I'm done. So here we have it. This is the woven stitch. Look at how pretty that looks. Does that not look so beautiful? Anyway, I hope this tutorial helps you, and on my next tutorial I'm going to see if I can make a granny square woven stitch. So make sure you're liking and following. Alright, y'all have a good one.